Hello again, students. Welcome to another exciting AP Psychology video. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about operant conditioning. Last time we talked about reward and punishment. Today we're going to talk about the schedule, so when you can offer the reward or the punishment. You can offer it on a fixed ratio, a variable ratio, a fixed interval, or a variable interval. So what do I mean by that? It's easiest to do some examples. First, think about what a ratio is, right? So like a ratio, basically like a fraction. So 1/2, 1/3. So in a fixed ratio situation, remember you're offering, let's just talk about reward. You're offering a reward in response to an individual doing something that you want. You can offer that reward exactly 1/2 of the time or 1/3 of the times. And when we talk about fixed ratio, we're talking about basically every nth time. So like every third time that you do what I want, I'm going to give you a reward. Or every fifth time you do what I want, I'm going to give you a reward. The classic example of this is those punch cards that a lot of people have in their wallet. So every 10th cup of coffee is free, or every 10th sandwich is free. That's a fixed ratio of 1/10. 1 out of 10 times you're getting something for free. They're encouraging you to buy the sandwiches by giving you the 10th one free. A variable ratio then, if fixed is every 10th sandwich is free, on a variable ratio, it's going to be after an unpredictable number of times. So the classic example here is a slot machine, right? You're pulling the lever on the slot machine, you're getting rewarded, but you don't know how many times you're going to have to pull the lever in order to get the reward. Maybe it's 4 times, maybe it's 7 times, maybe it's 11 times. It's going to be a variable ratio. So ratio is looking at the number of times out of the total that you're getting rewarded. Interval is looking at time period, so the amount of time that passes between rewards. So a fixed interval is a set amount of time passes between each award. For example, a paycheck, right? Maybe you get paid on the 15th and the 30th of every month. That means that you're getting your reward, you're getting your reinforcer every 15 days. Another example might be like a Friday special at a restaurant that you like. So every Friday they have that special discount price on a fixed interval. It's every 7 days. Then obviously a variable interval is going to be an unpredictable amount of time. So we'll talk about that in a second. You can say goodbye to Ezra. He's about to go on a walk. There's Adrian.
Hi.
And there's Ezra. Say hi, Ezra. It's cold out. He's all bundled up. All right. I want to go on a walk too. So I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly. We're almost done anyway. Variable interval would be an unpredictable amount of time passes before you get each reward. A classic one here is going to be email, right? You don't know how much time it's going to be before you get another email. Presumably, you like your emails. You're getting emails, say, that you enjoy from, Dr. Siegel or your friends or your other teachers, but you don't know how long it's going to be between each email. So those are reinforcement schedules. We're going to talk more about, or actually you're going to read more about them. The short final thing that I want to say is when you've got unpredictable reward schedules, it tends to take longer to learn the desired behavior, but when you stop receiving the reward, the behavior tends to persist longer. That's all for today. Have a great rest of your day. and I will see you in a couple more days.